So you can see here, what I did was I set up a chart. Now Julio is on the left, and you can see that at 0 seconds, he is at 0 distance. That is because he does not have the head start. Kellen, on the other hand, did manage to trick Julio into giving him that head start. We're not sure if he needs it or not. He starts at 10. So now I will go through and fill in our chart. So Julio, every second, is running 9 yards. So we would just go 9, 18, and we basically start skip counting because we're just doing our 9 times tables. 45, and I continued on through 11 seconds where he actually completed the race and went too far. Now Kellen, I'll do the same thing. Now Kellen starts at 10 yards, and then he's adding 8 every time, so that would be 18, 26, 34, 42, 50, 58, 66, 74, 82, 90, and 98. So if you look here, our race was to 90, and we need to find when did they hit 90. Well, Julio hit 90 at 10 seconds, and look at that. Kellen also hit 90 at 10 seconds. So going back to our previous slide, who won? Who is our winner? Both. It's a tie. All right, and how long did it take him to complete the race? It took 10 seconds. Talk about the perfect head start. So it worked out to be a tie. So what is the biggest head start that Julio can give Kellen and still win? Well, basically, since it was a tie, anything less than 10 would have worked. So even 9 would have been good. Now let's look at a reminder of how to divide decimals. As you can see, we have a decimal in our divisor, and we don't like that, so we need to get rid of that. We can get rid of it by hopping it 1 to the right. Then we just remember to do the same to the dividend. We can rewrite our problem without the decimals now. Then we can just divide as normal. So it goes in 1 time or 10 times if you're doing partial quotient. We subtract, and we get 63. 9 goes into 63 7 times. So our answer for this question is 17. And for the try these, I would like you to divide 104 divided by 8/10, and I would also like you to look back at that previous problem and determine what is the rule to determine Julio's distance. So can you come up with the rule to figure out Julio's distance, and maybe this will help you. How far would he go in 15 seconds? So 15 seconds would equal how many yards? As always, just write that on a piece of paper and give that to me tomorrow morning.